Hey everyone, for today's tutorial video, we are going to create a super cool and easy signature stroke animation in After Effects. Let's get started. I have this composition open in the timeline. The composition size is 1920 by 1080 with a frame rate of 30 frames per second. First, go to Layer, then New, and select Solid. Name it Background. Now choose a charcoal black color for the background and click OK. Click OK again to confirm. Now we have our background set up. Next, grab the Type tool and type your desired text. For example, I'm typing the word curiosity. Select the text. Here I'm using the Histoline script font. It's best for this effect and is free to download from Google. Align the text in the center of the composition. Make sure the anchor point is also in the center of the text. Adjust the text size to around 350. Select the text layer, right-click, go to Create, and select Create Shapes from Text. You can now delete the original text layer below. Again, select the new text shape layer. In the shape properties, hold Shift and select all the alphabet shapes. Under the shape properties, set the fill color to none. Change the line cap to round cap. Set the stroke width to around 5 pixels. And make the stroke color solid white. Click OK. Now the text is converted into shapes. Press U to hide the properties. Next, let's animate it. Select the text layer and expand its properties. Open the contents. Hold Shift and select all the alphabets. Then click Add and select the Trim Paths option. Expand the timeline for better visibility. Make sure the playhead is at the start of the timeline. Open the Trim Path properties for the first alphabet. Add a keyframe on the end property and set the end value to 0%. Move the playhead to around 2 seconds or a bit earlier and set the end value to 100%. Press U to view all keyframes. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to use Easy Ease. Then for each set of keyframes, offset them by 2 to 3 frames forward. Check your animation. Looks super cool. Press U again to hide the keyframe properties. Now select the text shape layer, right-click, go to Layer Styles, and choose Gradient Overlay. Expand the Gradient Overlay properties and click Edit Gradient to select your preferred colors. Pick some colors, such as a dark purple, then add a magenta and another bright yellow. Adjust the sliders to make all the colors visible. You can also choose a bluish color if you like. Once done, click OK. Press U again to hide all properties and preview the animation. Let's add depth to the text to make it look even cooler. First, select the text layer and add a glow effect. I'm using the Deep Glow plugin, which is free to download. I'll provide the link in the description below. In the effect controls, set the radius to around 140, the exposure to about 0.40, and the blend mode to screen. Expand the gamma correction properties, uncheck auto detect gamma, and enable gamma correction. Next, expand chromatic aberration, enable it, and set the amount as desired. I use 0.30. Scroll down and set the quality sample to 100%. That completes the glow. Finally, go to Layer, New, and select Adjustment Layer. Add the grain effect. Set the viewing mode to final output. Set the intensity to 0.5, size to 1, and softness to about 2. Expand animation types and check the Animate Smoothly option. That's it. Let's preview our final animation. Yay, it's awesome. That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to share, comment, subscribe, and check out the project file link in the description below. And I will see you in my next video.